Have you ever wanted to see a Porsche 911 go off-road? Well, today, that's exactly what we're gonna do with our newly built Safari 911. We're currently driving across the country to Car Week, all the way from Boston to California, and today is day 4. We're in Taos, New Mexico, headed to Telluride, Colorado. And some of these cars have already had some issues, so we thought, why not increase the problems by taking 2 of them off-road? We tried a little bit yesterday and we had so much fun, we knew we had to do it again. So we're gonna start the day off with that, and then we'll hit the road to Telluride, Colorado.
We made it
exactly what we were anticipating. The road we had yesterday was mint. This is looking a bit different.
It is a little bit less entertaining than the driving we did yesterday.
This thing is pretty good though.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely chilling.
All things considered. Well, the Range Rover has made it very easily to the end of the road. We're just waiting on the Porsche.
So, like 2 minutes already.
Been a few minutes, but that's okay. Still gonna have a beautiful drive up to Telluride. It's gonna be amazing. That mountain road is gorgeous, and it's probably one of the highest elevation places in the US. So I'm quite excited, but not excited to see how the car will perform at that elevation. So stick with us here. The Caterham will probably break, the Porsche will probably break, but we'll find a way there. Wow. That's beautiful. We are on the way to Telluride. If you didn't know, Telluride is a ski town in Colorado. It's also very high up in the mountains, so I'm expecting the roads to be pretty incredible. The Porsche is running decent right now, even though we beat the crap out of it this morning on that road. It didn't go fast, but the rocks really, we were doing some stuff with the suspension for sure. But it feels okay right now, so fingers crossed nothing breaks on it. This could be tricky. The elevation is our biggest concern. Cars run very poorly at high elevation. They lose a lot of horsepower. The Range Rover and the Jaguar should be fine at elevation because they are not naturally aspirated. The Range Rover has a supercharger, so those cars should be okay. The Caterham though, we're sitting at about 7,000 elevation right now, 7,000 feet. The Caterham's already not running well, and we're about to go another 5,000 feet up in elevation. And it's possible that the Caterham just stops and we might have to tune it on a mountain. So I really hope we don't have to do that because I have no idea how to do that. Could be a good learning experience. But right now, it's beautiful outside. Let's hope nothing goes wrong and let's see what the mountains look like when we get there. It's also crazy how fast the scenery changes here. Like, we've been driving in this mountain road for like maybe 5-10 minutes and now it's all trees. It's all trees. We were just in like low brush out in the middle of nowhere. This is also a beautiful road, by the way. And this part, not so twisty, that's why I was able to get the camera out, but before this, very twisty, very fun. Whoever's driving the Range Rover right now is cruising up behind me, so I'm gonna focus. Carson National Forest, I love you. Look how beautiful this is. I know, it was fun. This is so beautiful here. It's such an amazing road. The 911 is still sports car enough where it's good here. Hopefully we can find some cool roads attached to this area to do a little dirt driving, because that's where this really shines. This is awesome. It's so cool. Can't help but stop every, 10 minutes now, because look at this. You have more fun than this. It's beautiful. We've got great cars, amazing roads, great people. This is insane. Oh, I wish my dad could be here for this. He would have loved it. But we're certainly having a good time. Uh-oh, we have a problem. He is running to push the Caterham in traffic. The clutch, which was falling to the floor, is now fully stuck up. And it doesn't seem to be working. That's just what I hear from the radio. I don't know. Luckily, we're about to roll into this town, literally 20 feet from this town. Otherwise, it'd be stuck well in the mountains. So he's gonna give it a shove. Oh, he's running. Oh, Pagosa Springs, the world's deepest hot springs. The more you know. That's where we're rolling into right now. If you're from Pagosa Springs, hello. I hear you have the deepest hot springs. All right, the Caterham seems fine. It's just having its typical issues. So we need to find a new lunch spot because this one is closed. But shout out to these guys.
Bye, guys.
Peace out. For helping us out. They are subscribers to the YouTube channel, which is so cool to meet guys out here in Pagosa Springs. Turns out when I said that, 5 seconds later, we were gonna meet someone from Pagosa Springs. So that's cool. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos, all of you out there.
And ride safe to you guys there. They're going on a cool mountain biking adventure, which we're very jealous of right now because we just got more driving, but
wish we could join.
I know, for real.
Have fun though. We have a problem. I just got something for the car and the key is now very stuck in the door. Don't do that.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Yes.
I don't know how to fix this right here. This could be detrimental.
No, it'll be fine.
How do we get the key out?
We get it out.
We need like a locksmith.
Yeah, exactly. There's probably one right here.
Probably, at least we're in a town. Hold on. We just can't break it further. It's properly stuck. It does not unlock. The doors are locked. We're gonna try putting some WD-40 in it and see if that helps. You're just happy it's not your car. For once. This is the weirdest problem to have too. Like, I would have never expected this. Will has gotten WD-40. He is now very... Yeah, there's quite a few cars. Is anyone with the table?
Do we have a rag?
No.
We must.
Oh, somewhere. Oh, good. It's dripping.
Yep. The 911 was being a peach, and then Jackson locked it, and it's now not unlocking. So I guess the luck has run out. But if this is the problem to have, this is the problem to have. Because I think it'll still run. Yeah. I'll keep you guys updated.
Just not hold the locksmith.
The maintenance steering makes it inconvenient.
I wish I had those.
Keep twisting, it'll go. Yeah, you have it.
Oh. There you go. Nicely done. While these guys are working on that, we also found another problem. If it couldn't be any worse, there's rubber in there, which means a seal might have gone. So we're just having two problems at once. Everything's going so well for us now that we're in Colorado. Wow, at least it's beautiful here.
Yeah, buddy's nice.
That's the plus. But we have some...
Really need a clutch to drive.
I think that's gonna be an issue, but we've one problem at a time. Door card in the car. Door card disassembled.
I'm having PTSD right now from the 10 times I had to do this before.
When you were wrapping the car?
Yeah, when I was happy.
So fun. So fun. The key is still stuck. I think it's holding it together.
Remember when I was telling you how much it sucked?
Yeah. Same problem as before. Is it easier going in than out?
Not really.
Oh, good. We got this part out. The top of the key is now here.
Damn.
Not great.
Oh, good.
The door handle's out. The lock mechanism is out. We'll need a new whole lock mechanism.
Let's go over here.
The only thing is, Will, the door's not going to stay closed.
No, I can get it back in without a lock. It just won't lock.
Okay, that's fine.
I can get the door to stay closed, I'm pretty convinced.
So we'll just exit out the passenger side. The
Okay.
safety squint.
Oh, no. Yeah.
There you go.
All right.
Exactly. You can accomplish anything with a big enough hammer.
All right, Jackson,
That's
you hold
all
on to
good.
this. I'm gonna get the door back together.
Oh, there you go. He's fist deep now in there.
15, cover it.
Oh no.
Alright, so I figured out, by the way, there was a little piece to the lock that basically the whole thing twisted. So I figured, get a long enough screwdriver, get in there, find the sweet spot,
Yeah.
you lock and unlock the car now.
Perfect. We have our new set of keys.
Yeah, this is the new key to that.
That's a great key.
Yeah, we'll be back on the road in no time.
Great.
Oh man.
That's perfect. That's our new key setup. Oh, door card is going back on. Slowly.
What I really want to do is close the door, and before I screw anything in, close the door and see if you can open it.
Don't lock me in here.
Oh, it's got to. Alright,
Let me try from the inside.
doesn't matter.
Oh, that's perfect. Nicely done, guys. Look at that. It was very well done. It was
We opened it real good.
We cracked it right open. That's awesome. What do you think? Do you like the color scheme? All right, all the bolts coming back in. We're reassembling. So we won't be able to lock the door, unless we have a long screwdriver, which we'll go get. We can unlock and lock the door with the screwdriver, but not with the key, but I can at least start the car with the key.
The key's all back together too, right?
Yep, the key is all back together. So we're looking good here. We're looking very good.
I honestly think we don't even need to worry about this too much.
Yeah, I think we're good.
I don't think anyone would even think to put a key in there.
I think we're gonna have to go pick up a part from Salt Lake City when we drive through. There's a Porsche dealership there.
That screwdriver idea was a long shot, getting it to lock and unlock.
That worked perfectly. Sometimes that's all it takes. Will here is the hero of the day. We also got the hero day.
What's your name, by the way?
Gerald.
Gerald Will. Great to meet you.
Gerald's the man.
Let me tell you. Let me explain to you the situation. So, the whole tumbler was completely destroyed. So I got it.
We're gonna order a new one from Salt Lake.
Me and the guy just hammered it, got all the pins to come out, got it out. So, I was looking at the back of it, right? And I was like, that looks suspiciously like something in there twists something with a flathead screwdriver. Sure. So I was like, let's see what happens.
That's the Hyundai problem, the Kia boys.
Yeah, I was like, let's see what happens. Did you get in there?
So he is now in everybody's toolbox, garage, and general kitchen junk drawer.
Well, don't tell everyone.
We can't post this.
No, we can't.
Because now everyone knows how to unlock our car.
They don't have the key though. You're gonna have to rob me.
I'm pretty sure that through that little bump might work just fine.
Well,
Why'd the window just go down?
it'll do that.
Why?
No, it does that automatically.
I've never seen that.
It did it a lot when we were trying to work on the door.
2 hours later.
All right, we're rolling this to the pump. By the way, the 911, the other door is now having issues, but we can fix it. It's not the end of the world. It's not the same problem. So we've had this one before. So there's a lot of things going on, but we are close to Telluride. We're filling this up with gas. Oh, he's...
steer.
We're too lazy to put the steering wheel on. Happens to the best of us.
We're really tired, and I think the altitude is getting to us. So we're going a little crazy. I'm gonna go check this gas station. I'm getting in the Jag. I've been putting it off. Everybody tells me it's good. I think it's bad. We're about to learn who's correct. I'll probably end up liking it, but honestly, for the kind of money this car is, I'd buy something else. But I'll get in the Jag. Not that I'm complaining. It's a great car. I'm excited to be able to drive it. Oh. These roads are insane. They're cool. We have the cars all parked up in Telluride. We made it. The Jaguar was better than I thought it would be, I will admit. He's very happy down there because
We're gonna get you into a very good car.
he really wants me to like the Jaguar, but I just think it's not engineered as well as I would prefer, coming from the German Porsche.
Yeah, this thing's engineered so well.
Yeah, we can lock it with a screwdriver now, so it's definitely engineered quite well. The Jaguar would probably go into limp mode and then just not work ever again.
And 996s have never had IMS issues.
Never. Let's ignore that.
They're the best Porsche.
We're here in Telluride though. Tomorrow we are going to head from here to Park City, Utah. So we'll have a lot more mountains on the way there, and we'll be going down in elevation because we would like some more power from the 911, and that's the only way to get it at this point. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.